Get ready for a ride that's as exhilarating as it is practical. Today on Ride Review, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Focus RS, a hot hatch that's redefining performance and style for the modern driver. At the heart of the Focus RS is a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 350 horsepower and 370 pound-feet of torque. This power, paired with an all-wheel drive system and torque vectoring, ensures phenomenal grip and handling, whether you're attacking corners or cruising the highway. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, this car knows how to thrill. For those who love to push the limits, the drift mode offers controlled fun on the edge. The design is just as striking as the performance. With its honeycomb grille, aerodynamic rear spoiler, and wide wheel arches, the Focus RS makes its presence known. The 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires complete the aggressive yet refined look. Inside, Ford has nailed the balance between sportiness and everyday usability. Recaro sport seats provide the perfect mix of comfort and support, while premium materials and ambient lighting elevate the cabin's feel. The 2025 model features a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 13.2-inch Sync 4 infotainment system, now including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To make driving even more intuitive, there's a new head-up display that keeps your eyes on the road while delivering key information. Safety is another highlight, with Ford's CoPilot 360 suite offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Whether you're commuting or taking on a spirited drive, you'll feel confident and protected. A standout aspect of the Focus RS, its adaptive drive modes. From normal for daily drives to track for high-performance thrills, this car adapts to your style seamlessly. Starting at $47, the 2025 Ford Focus RS is an exceptional value for anyone looking for a car that combines practicality, power, and personality. Tune in to Ride Review tomorrow, where we'll explore another unique feature of the Focus RS that you won't want to miss. Share your thoughts in the comments. What excites you most about this beastly hatchback?